I actually have quite a decent amount of stuff to do today. I need to do some maths, physics, and a few other things. I started a few days ago doing the mixed exercises for maths, so I want to finish those, go through what I get wrong, and do some like extra topic questions on the physics maths tutor page. In terms of physics, I want to get through topics 2.1 through to 3, just reading it, taking any key notes, and then do the topic questions for these. And then I have a few other like general things that I need to do, which is just like go on a long walk with Luna. I found some jobs yesterday that would be great for me to apply for. And finally, I need to prep for work tomorrow. So all of this needs to, well, ideally get done. If I don't get all of it done, that's fine. But just generally speaking, I would like to get most of it done. So yeah. So I posted this video yesterday, and as you can see, it is not doing great. So I'm thinking that because I have so little energy to redo the thumbnail right now to hopefully improve that, because it's either the thumbnail or the title that's not working right now. So yeah, I'm gonna give that a shot and we will see what I come up with. I've come up with this, and I do think it's better than the previous one that I had. Thumbnails are not my forte, and I think this is as good as this vlog's thumbnail is gonna get, so we're just gonna go with that. But I literally just clicked on here. I don't know if I'll do it again, but oh yeah, see, I know, like, how is this 1 out of 6? Like, I guess they haven't been performing that well for the first day, and so 3 isn't actually that bad, but I'm not happy with that.